In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Obsidian. If you're new to Obsidian, it's a powerful app for creating connected notes and building your own knowledge base. And getting it installed is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the entire process, and along the way, I'll share a few tips so everything goes smoothly on your computer or mobile device. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Obsidian website. Using the official site ensures you're downloading a safe, up-to-date version. If you're not sure of the exact address, a quick search for the official Obsidian homepage will get you there. Give the page a moment to load so all the buttons and links appear correctly. Once you're on the homepage, look for the download button. It's usually easy to spot and will take you straight to the download options. Click it, and you'll be presented with versions tailored for different operating systems. Next, choose the version that matches your device. If you're on Windows, you'll download an installer for that. Mac users will typically get a disk image file. Linux users can choose the package that works best for their distribution. On mobile, you'll select iOS or Android, and you may be redirected to your device's official app store to continue. Pick the option that fits where you plan to use Obsidian, and let the download begin. When the download finishes, open the installer on your device. On a computer, that usually means going to your Downloads folder and double-clicking the file. If your system asks for permission to run the installer or to make changes, approve it so the setup can proceed. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet source and close any unnecessary apps to help the installation run faster. Follow the on-screen installation prompts to complete the setup. This typically involves agreeing to the license terms, choosing an install location, and confirming the installation. Default settings work well for most people, so you can accept those unless you have a specific preference. Watch for any security prompts and allow them so the installer can finish its job. After the installation completes successfully, launch Obsidian. You can open it from the icon on your desktop, your Applications folder, or your mobile home screen. You should see the welcome screen, confirming that everything is set up and ready to go. That's it. You've installed Obsidian, and you're ready to explore what it can do.